Hello viewers, welcome to Credit Viral. First of all, a big thanks to all of you for supporting the channel. You guys are amazing, and believe me, it makes our day whenever we read the feedback that you guys are getting approved for different credit cards, loans, and getting access to higher credit limits by watching our videos. So thank you so much. And if you are new to this channel, watching this video first time, please subscribe to the channel and do watch our other videos where we explain to you and taught you that how you can get credit cards without affecting your credit score, or how you can get great credit cards with amazing reviews. So do go and watch those videos and do subscribe this channel, and please give it a big thumbs up, means the like button, and don't forget to press that bell icon so you can get to know about the future videos. So let's talk about this credit card just came. Venmo, it's a familiar name. It's a money transfer service just like Cash App. A lot of people are using it. A lot of people have this app in their cell phone, and by a company that is a money transfer company coming up with a credit card is a very clever idea, because as I researched on it, they're not doing any sort of marketing right now, and the reason is because they already have a client base, right? So they are offering the cards to them, and you can also apply for that. It's just like the Apple Card. And what I mean by Apple Card, for the Apple Card you have to have an iPhone and you have to have the wallet app, and you can just apply from there, right? In Venmo, all you need to do, you need to just download the app, Venmo app, and you can apply through there. Or if you already have a Venmo account, it would be really easier for you to apply it just with one click. So I think that's a very convenient way to get a credit card. I'm personally, right now we are in two minds that should we get this credit card or not, because this credit card has very amazing cash back perks. And what I mean by that is 3% on grocery. I haven't seen a lot of cards offering 3% on groceries, except the Discover. It has 5%, but for a certain time period they actually offer 5% cashback, and you have to activate it in the second quarter of a year. So it's not always just for 4 months, but for this one it's always right there. Whatever you buy in grocery, you're gonna get 3%, means $3 on $100. It's amazing, right? And at the same time, as you know that we all have utilities, your electricity bill, your phone bill, water bill, and etc. So they're giving 2% on the bills and utilities. That is like $2 on $100. It means if you're spending $500 on utilities and bills, you're gonna get $10 back. This is actually a good one, I believe. They are doing an amazing thing. The only thing they should do, one more thing they should do, I believe, they should put a cashback on the money transfer through Venmo. It would be a very smarter move, so the people will use Venmo more, because Cash App, it does not have any sort of credit card right now. And if Venmo can acquire this market by offering something like that, like when you transfer money through Venmo, you're gonna get cash back or any other perks, it will actually make their service a bit more better, and they're gonna grab more clients. So that's what they can do. So another thing, 1% cashback. I'm not gonna talk about it because there's a lot of cards which are offering 1.5%. For example, Capital One, Quicksilver, they offer 1.5% on every purchase that you do. So it's not something special. So but one thing we really think that that is really amazing with this card is that this card has no annual fee. And what we believe that by having no annual fee is a big plus, because we personally don't like the cards, and we would never ever recommend you a card with the annual fee, which has no perks, right? Because I feel like annual fee is a waste of money, right? You're just giving your money from your pocket to the financial institution, and is it's not gonna help you at all. So this is what it is. Let's just move on and see what this card has more. Well, this card has a couple of more things that I really need. I feel like that I should talk about. First of all, I hate the design. We all hate the design, though. I don't know how they came up with the design. It look really cheap, really bad, and we hope that they can change it, right? Um, the amazing thing with this card is not just bound to any store or anything. It's not a community bank card. It is a Visa card, so you can use it anywhere you want, and that's a big plus, you know. So you won't have to worry, but don't forget to pay it in full whenever you use it, because I'm pretty sure the APR is between 22 to 27, and that is really high, right? So I'm not gonna stretch the video as all the people do, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. They do have the debit cards already. Now they came up with credit card. They had their experiences, and you know, like they have Venmo has, like, I believe the fourth or fifth biggest client base when it comes to debit cards. So credit, you know, like coming up with a credit card is obvious decision, and it's a very clever one though. So let me know in the comment below, what do you think about this card? Are you going to get this card, or you feel like no, it's not the one for me, or you feel like the design is terrible? I personally think, we all personally think, the design, oh my gosh, it's just ugly. Let me know in the comment below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to get the credit cards without affecting your credit score, please watch our other videos. It will really help you. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe.